What are you doing? Are you being a good boy?
Now you can talk.
Ooh. Really?
You can tell them about the snow?
Can you say that in English? Huh? Did you go sleigh riding today? Really?
And did
Cool.
you get your face all wet and with the snow? Hmm? Did you get your face wet?
Yeah? How big are you? How big are you? So big. You're right. Don't kick yourself in the face.
Yeah. See the precious boy's feet, how beautiful the baby boy is? Yeah. Mama's boy, huh? Yeah. And when the snow got in your face? Yeah, so what else? What else you gonna tell us about that big day on the sled?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Cool.
Yeah.
What a big boy you are.
Did you like the snow?
Come on, JT, get in the picture with Daniel.
No, not right now. I don't look good.
And did you like the snow?
Where's the patty cake boy? Where's the patty cake boy? Patty cake, Baker's man.
You just did it for Mama in the other video.
Oh, did you?